Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to SA Accounting Academy. Here's a short clip on one of our previous webinars. I hope that you really do enjoy it.
Today's training is strategic management for management accounting for businesses. And I hope that you'll be able to get lots of insights and learn. If at any point in time you have any questions, please do type them in the chat box and I will attend to them. I'll just keep an eye on the chat box as we go through the session. I'm planning to take a little bit of a break at around 11 o'clock. The session is only for 2 hours, but I think we could all use a break to maybe get something warm to drink. It is cold where I am. Maybe you are lucky enough to be joining us from a warm location. Let's get started. I see people are still coming through into the room, but I would like us to just get started. I think we have a lot to get through. What I'll be taking you through today, and I think, just after introducing myself, I'll take myself off of video so that I don't distract you. I'll be taking you through about myself, telling you who I am. I'll be giving you an introduction about what you can expect from this training today, from this webinar that we are in, the objectives. And then we are going to speak about translating financial accounting to management accounting. We're going to talk about developing a framework that you personally can use at your own organization. Good morning, Nilia. I am in Hartbeespoort, so you're not that far from me. Nice to see you. We're going to talk about how you become a trusted business advisor and what that actually is. And then I will take questions at the end that we have not addressed throughout the training. Now, a little bit about myself. I am a CA. I am registered with the Independent Regulatory Board of Auditors as an RA. I'm a director at a small accounting firm called PSCM Chartered Accountants. I am a small business cheerleader. I think that it's great that we have so many small businesses that are trying. All the challenges that we have, we all know about them. But the fact that we have so many just still keeping on trying to make it work and look for solutions, it warms my heart. I love small businesses. I'm an aspiring small children's book author because I've got two small kids, one 7 and one 3. And having struggled to find material that they can read, I just decided, let me rather just write my own books. And I also serve on a few audit committees and boards. So governance is also my middle name. Small business governance, that's me. Good morning, everyone. As you're coming in, I look forward to spending the morning with you. I am going to switch my video off and just keep my audio on. Please do keep the questions coming through on the chat box. I will attend to them as and when they come up. Now, the objectives of today's training, everyone, is that we will be going through new and innovative thinking skills that you need to obtain to get the right business intelligence about an enterprise that will help you with your decision making in creating value and growth for your organization, whether you are the accountant, whether you are the business owner, or whether you are like me and actually service multiple small businesses, whether you are working at a big company, it really doesn't matter. The principles are the same. You need to translate them into your own environment. We're going to talk about the ability to use management accounting and reporting tools in a strategic context and to drive sustainable growth in a business. So all of it is really about growth. I think all businesses go into business with the objective of making money. But somewhere along the way, we get lost in the details and things start going wrong. We're trying to bring us back to that initial objective of we want to make money. We're going to talk about some insights to performance measures, descriptors and declarations that you can use in your own practice to guide you in assisting your clients in their strategic decision making. Now, I want us to be very open-minded in terms of the word clients, because we are going to use this quite a lot. You may have multiple clients that you are servicing. Maybe you're working in an accounting firm and you're servicing X number of clients. But if you are working in one business and you are servicing just that business, please do understand that that is your own client. It just so happens that your client is internal and not external to your company. We will talk about facilitating an appropriate guiding framework that you and your team can use to ensure a consistently positive client experience. Without positive client experience, we cannot continue on our original objective of making money. We are going to get clients simply just, saying terrible things about us, and we're not going to be able to get repeat business, new business, etc., especially in this digital age. We're going to talk about how you can act as a trusted business advisor on business performance with the ability to present clear recommendations that will ensure long-term sustainable growth and profit for your business or for your client's business. Now, there's lots of jokes I think that we are all aware of, that we've come across. I just thought to put a few, just to remind us that it's not a very boring subject. I love accounting. I've loved it probably since I was 13 years old. And, all the jokes that go around, I don't take offense anymore. There's one that I saw from Twitter, I think is an American guy tweeting saying, my accountant just Googled when tax day is in front of me, I am going to jail. So we are going to make sure that we come off as experts, that we are able to answer the questions that our clients actually have in their minds and not have to go to Google to think about some of these things, or at least go to Google before, so that you're prepared very well for your meeting with your client. This bottom one here says the partner normally says that the firm will provide a team of highly qualified professionals that will leverage their industry expertise to assist you. And this is one of those cartoon movies. If you have kids, I'm sure you've seen this movie multiple times. And this person this big cat has got their own support staff that is hardly experienced at all. Apparently, this is what we do as accountants. And then you've got your accounting in textbooks, which is so straight and so clear, provides a very clear path for you to drive in. But when you start getting into practice, there's so many complexities that you encounter and actually have to wiggle out of. All right. Our introduction. All right. So what are management accounts? I think that in terms of our understanding of what management accounts is, that people will normally present, or us as accountants will normally present your balance sheet. We'll present your profit and loss. We will present your debtors and creditors age analysis, because we have some sort of an understanding that affects your cash flow and cash flow decision making. And then we will present some level of cash flow analysis. Now, I'm going to talk about enhancing on this reporting today in order to assist your own business, your own environment where you are sitting with strategic business decision making. And the purposes of management accounts is normally to for decision making, in order to maximize profit and loss, to maximize cash inflows. We are aware that we have cash outflows. We are aware that we've got cash commitments, we've got liabilities, we've got employees, we've got all sorts of things, operating costs. But what we are wanting to do is wanting to maximize our cash inflow and also to reduce our losses. We want to determine upcoming possible liabilities and cash outflows. We want to do a scenario analysis so we can see if this happens, then what happens.
I hope that you enjoyed that video. For more of our webinar videos, go to www.accountingacademy.co.za. Thank you and have a lovely day.